Are you looking to employ skilled welding professionals from Sri Lanka? Or are you a welding professional looking for that perfect overseas opportunity? Or to gain recognized qualifications for your career progress? At Riland Skill Development Center, the premier welding skill development center in Sri Lanka, we offer the right solution for all of you. Looking for skilled welding professionals from Sri Lanka? If you are an international principal seeking skilled welders from Sri Lanka who also hold globally accepted qualifications, we have a pool of resources liaising with Sentab International Private Limited, a foreign employment agency with the Sentab Group, to offer you a one-stop solution. From training to consulting to recruitment, we cater to the global demands for qualified welding professionals. Looking for the right global opportunity? If you are a welding professional looking for overseas employment, we can help you find the right one and also empower you with the accredited qualifications you need. At Riland Skill Development Center, we produce skilled welders with international welder qualifications as per the ASME, AWS, and ISO standards. At Sentab, we offer double benefits, meeting the needs of both global recruiters and the local workforce. For more information, talk to us today.